So, ito yun guys. Ayan siya. Wala lang siyang gate. Pagpasok mo dito, text A. Yan na siya. And then this one. Nandito ata ang video. Okay. Hindi naman pala siya ganun kalayo. Kasi ito lang naman siya. Sabi nila first floor, which is ito lang naman yung first floor. Wala namang ibang area. And then, ito na siya. Yung pool is a hot spring guys. Hindi siya lukewarm or hindi siya cold talaga. It's a hot spring talaga siya guys. So, ayan. Instagramable naman siya kasi may mga ganyan naman siya. And then, ayan. Ayan siya guys. So, itong areang to, maliwalas naman siya. Ayan yung third view. Wow. Per second. Ito na yung second floor guys. Tapos kasama na din yung mga area ng ayan. Sophiaville ito guys. Ayan.
This is our room for one night. And this is the bathroom.
Oh, nice.
So that's the other room, chest. This, I thought it's our room, but this is not our room.
That's a CR. So this is the bed. Okay, this is the bed. They have a double deck, 2 double deck. So 4 bed ang dito guys. Pero kami lang dito mag-i-stay. And me and Happy. Ayan. And the daddy of course.
Place.
So
and let me show you around in the swimming pool.
okay, you show them around the swimming pool. Go. Bring my phone but make sure that it cannot be dropped on the phone.
This is the cool place in the world. This is the new pool, like in the old pool. And this is the swimming pool with penguins. With penguins. Look at it, with penguins. Ah, it's so cute. And we have a water slide, but I will not do that. And this is the small swimming pool right there. And this is Daddy there.
Hello.
And everybody is meeting there. And this poster. And let me show you around. This is upstairs there. This is upstairs there. And this is there. And there's the kitchen. And there's Tita Sina there. Ah.
Nasaan na kayo?
We go down so early.
Nasaan kayo? Nagkakalang pa lang kayo?
So this is the backyard. And this is some janitor. And this is the janitor.
Mamaya pag
And
malapit-lapit
this is
ka na
the
dito, tawagan mo kami.
plants. And that's all, guys. And this is the microphone. And I will go back to my mommy. Thanks for watching. And let's eat there. And see you next time. Bye.